Yeah. Especially if you're in on the ground floor, that can always be can often work out to be something good. So. Yeah. You got to ask the questions, right? Nice. All right, buddy. Later.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Bitcoin Analytica. This is your host, Joe Saz, and today we're going to be talking about some Bitcoin price action. Before we get started, I do want to point out that we have our trading competition, our team competition starting tomorrow. So everyone that's in the trade comp, make sure you sign up. I'll get the registration link ASAP, and it'll be like a friendly team comp, but it'll be nice. There's going to be a cool little increased reward pool if more people join and stuff like that. So this is going to be fun. And always keep in mind that if you are in the competition, make sure you're in the Discord channel. You can join by going to sazanalytica.com, clicking on the join the Discord link, free to join. And if you're in the competition, I'll make sure to reach out to me or someone, me or Fabian. We can add you to the trade comp chat where you are with the team. We can communicate little private chats in there, little things going on, and we can communicate directly with the exchange for some of our thoughts and issues. So you guys make sure to reach out. And also check the Discord VIP where we do have a handful of people getting in there. It's kind of nice. You get access to the trading algos and some daily personal analysis and updated, stuff from me. Yeah, all kinds of stuff. So I was just hanging out in the VIP chat right now. It's kind of nice. Good to talk. My boy Phil. But yeah, take a look at that, guys. Join the Discord. Consider the VIP. Consider getting the VIP for Fabian's algos, Gigatrend Shark algo with with the instructions for the various presets to trade Bitcoin, different time frames, and others. So yeah, look forward to seeing you guys in there. Now, what the fuck is going on? That's the real question, right? Oh, where's my data? Fuck. Let me refresh this. Let's take a look at the daily for a sec. Excuse me, guys. Right, alright. Still a little sick, but not feeling too bad, to be honest. Just a cough and a deep voice at this point. So this is kind of nice to see about the RSI, or the daily, is that the RSI has fallen out of like some seriously overbought territory into some normal range here, and we've even got our yearly higher high, which funny enough we called in the stream the other day. I said it in the stream when we saw all those stacked orders in the book every $10. It was perfect. So I have been asked, how do I call things like that? And the order book is how, and that last video is exactly how. So I mean, you guys, for everyone that was tuned in, I hope you really were paying attention. You can always go back and rewatch that, but that was a hell of a show. Probably one of the best ones as far as legit real-time educational content. When before we pumped up to this new yearly high, that was fucking G. So the daily's looking good. I mean, some bullish engulfing, some bearish stuff. Mostly still fighting for higher highs. I mean, what kind of psychology does that send across the board? Well, it says this thing ain't over. Is this certainly isn't a dead cat bounce. Some of these might be considered, but we're getting a yearly high, So on that note, I'd say absolutely not. This is not dead cat bouncy stuff. Yo, Hurley, what's up, brother? And Coss Ape and Phil, good to see you guys. Good to see you all. Thanks for tuning in, ladies and gentlemen. Hit that like button for me, please, if you can. 5 people, 7 people in here. Oh, Leon, what's up, dog? Good to see you. Cheerio. So, and everyone, don't hesitate to say hello, man. Life is beautiful. Say hi. So, all right, our current daily. I know, Hurley. I was expecting to hear that from you. Excellent. And I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So yeah, we got a week of trading comp, and then it's off to Vegas for me, for hopefully some of you out there as well. So all right, our daily isn't looking too bad. I mean, if anything, I would say it's looking good. And look at this short-term moving average cutting right up to where we're almost where we are. We're currently sitting at 33K, you know, so I like the idea of some technical indicators coming up in here and providing us a source of support. Probably going to be supported at least one time here. So the more this thing cuts up into where we are, the better off we'll be. I like that. Now our CME gap, we left off at 38,575, probably a bit of contango on that, and we're sitting down at 37. We left off, let's see, what was Friday, the 24th then? We exited the weekly up here 37.7, maybe $500 of contango with CME futures. So somewhere around 37.8. I mean, we're expecting to come back up here for our CME gap recovery, which we might even be doing now. Yeah, early. I think what we're gonna do. Hey, what's up, Ryan? I think what we're gonna do with this comp, it might be a cumulative, total cumulative score. Obviously, we're gonna have to trade comp style with that knowledge that we don't want to be the weakest link in the chain. So definitely need some awareness of that. But I think for this first comp, we'll find out the comp P&L percentage. In fact, I might scroll here and just see real quick. Added details for the bonus. All right, we'll try this. All right, I'm gonna put this over here. I was going to see if there was some extra stuff. This thing's loading a bit, so might not be up. Alright, oh, well, let's take a look at the trade real quick while we're here. Up a good bit. Long at 36.7. No, wait, 36.3. Gonna get rid of this for now. Long at 36.3. So I'm gonna do some trades. I might add to my long down here. Might add to it. So I'm waiting for that, but right now in a profitable trade, and we'll get to the trade stuff pretty soon. I just wanted to make sure we all know what's going on. See the trades with your own eyes. Proof of trades, really important for you guys if you're going to trust anyone that talks about price action. Alright, so we'll see if this thing profit rate. Alright, no, I'm not seeing too much. Not yet, not yet. Looks like they got it updated everything. But the trading competition starts tomorrow. Duncan, what's up, brother? Excellent to see you here. So you guys, a number of you that are here have traded in some of the competitions. We have a team competition and it's starting tomorrow. So I need all you guys. We all need each other. Let's fucking perform. And there's gonna be more team comps. After Vegas, I'm gonna be really focused on setting up more team competitions, getting other people from around the space involved. Audio is in and out, you say? I'm just gonna plug in the power. Let it charge for a little bit. Let this thing charge for a little bit. Yeah, play more conservative, more patient. I mean, it's kind of, I'm probably gonna take maybe open up with the risk and try to put us on the map too, and yeah, but you're right, Phil. You're right, Phil. Probably not good to open up 100x. So let's chill on this for a little bit. We have our signals up, or we have our information up right now. We have a widening bid-ask spread as we came down for the bulls. We have a nice bit of action here, a little confusing action, right, for the market's aggregated spot. We came down, we had a lot of strong, bid dominance. We came down, it kind of fluttered in and out. Right now it's kind of fluttering in and out of red. Real tight right now, so it's going to take a sec. But we can wait and see. We can wait and see. I think the CME gap, you guys know I put that pretty high on my list of things I value. So I think we come back up to somewhere around 37.8. I'm staying my long until then. And if we go lower and dump into some signals, I'm taking it. Would have been nice. This probably would have even been decent, to be honest. But there's one other team in this competition. And don't know the guy, but in our interactions, it's been pleasant conversation. So it seems like a gentleman. Seems like it's going to be a good time. And then hopefully after this, I'm going to see if we can get a number of other people out there, Tone's team and whoever else's team, you know. I'm actually going to hit someone up right now that I'm thinking about it. So, so far there's going to be one team, but this is going to be growing. I really like the competition stuff, and I'm going to be pushing for that with other people that I know. So we'll keep that ball rolling. All right, what else do we got? I gotta go take a look. I'm making some more tallow lotion today, so I'm gonna have to go see what's going on with that here in a bit. Make sure it's all melting nicely. So yeah, I'm just gonna hang out here for a bit with you guys. Happy Sunday. You know, it's been a nice long weekend for a lot of Americans and maybe others. So just gonna hang out, get the music going. Anyone have any thoughts or questions? Don't hesitate to throw them out. Got a lot to learn together. All right. So yeah, we are moving and grooving. You know, I might make some bone broths too. I have a friend that brought me some over the other day. I should heat some up and drink some up. Alright, we're just gonna watch this. I'm gonna set my headset down, keep it charging while I go check on the tallow. All right. Excuse me. All right, so decent long I see there, Phil. Yeah, I like it too. I'll double down if we come back. Depends. But we have a lot of support here, guys. This is a pretty decent move down, but it's really good to see that things are looking solid. Burning out the RSI, so might be. I think I'm gonna wait a little bit before doing anything. All right, nice little chill Sunday stream. So I wanted to make sure that I came out and talked about the trade comp, team trade comp. It's gonna be a good time, and make sure you guys join. I might end this stream and then go over to the Discord chat. Hang out there and just kind of talk for a bit. Make some lotion. Snowed out here. Snowing still. Yeah, it's still snowing. Yeah, it's kind of nice out. You guys have anything you guys want to talk about? Yo, what's up, Justin? Funny, there's actually something that did come up in my mind. You guys see the whole shit going on in the MMA community with Ian Gary? Yeah, Justin, I'm chilling, man. Happy Sunday, guys. How are you guys doing? What's going on with your day? Early thinking we can get down to low to 37.1. 37.1. 4 moves down. Yeah, I think we'll get signals down there. Very likely we'll get signals down there. So. Starting a big retrace here. Cooking that RSI right now. 37.4 against 37.8. $400 move up. I might bail on some of this actually. Big market reaction to that move. Alright, so yeah, you guys don't hesitate to ask any questions. I'm just hanging out. You guys know I like conversations. Oh, snow in there also? Nice, Hurley. Yeah, it's beautiful, man. Snow's nice. Or a puffy jacket and stream outside. So let's see here. I like this. I want to let this RSI kind of top out. See where we make a higher low, probably at this horizontal, and kick back up. This is our CME retrace line, and this is where I expect us to bounce if we come down here. Watching the 1 minute on DeepCoin. And if you guys do want to participate in the trading competition, be sure to click the link underneath the video to register your account. And I'll be sure to get the registration link out in the Discord channel ASAP. Bulls were stacked a little nice. That's good. So we'll just keep watching this trade for a bit. Try to pay some bills. Comps are great for improving skills. I've learned a lot the last few weeks. Thanks for pointing that out, Hurley, and I totally agree. I mean, I've learned a lot, you guys. Look, it doesn't matter where you are. In life and whatever thing that you're doing, you can learn the same skills 2-3 times. You know, like, so let's say you start here and you've done a lot and 6 months pass by, you kind of forget these skills. You focused on these skills now, 6 months, you know, present day. And then these skills come back into play, and then, you know, realizing that this is what I needed to bring back into the mix, you know, makes it so that you can go from here to the next step. So I totally agree with you, Hurley. I've learned a lot too. I've learned a lot too. I've made my failures, you know, when degen, you know, when I didn't need to. A number of things that I've done that are kind of stupid. So yeah, I'm learning a lot too. I'm glad you are. It's really nice to hear that someone else is. So excellent stuff, man. And it's always fun. It's also a good time. That's the thing. Getting ready to cook that RSI again. So bulls are looking pretty strong. Why don't we take a look at the order book over here? 551. Yeah, pretty heavy stack at the top end of both sides. You went degen with your bonus. Yeah, dude, that's what you gotta do, man. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. If I get a bonus, I'm gonna go degen. Like, fucking psycho degen. That's what you gotta do. Yep. Positive funding rate. So yeah, I have incentive to get out of this trade a little bit more now. It was negative a while. 0.004. Nice pop up. I'm back. Let's do this to a 5-minute. We don't need it so small over here. Get a better view. We got a little ways to go. Cool. Starting to regain some of that green as we go higher. Really interesting place we're in with this order book action. Fucking music, man. So good. Always remember Mexican Hasselhoff for this. Alright. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. Is it choppy for you guys right now? Is the sound coming in good and all that? Cooking the RSI again. Things are looking pretty decent. Yeah, let's just watch this move, man. I don't plan to bail my long until somewhere around this blue line, but I might scalp out a little bit. Leon, what's my plan for the halving? If Bitcoin price is, you know, doing something nuts, then maybe I'll fucking party. But for now, the halving plan is to coast. I mean, you guys, this is still kind of a bear market, you know. It's okay, you know. We're at 37K, 30 range, right? We are things are still good right now. We're not at 20K, threatening the teens and 25. So we're channeling a decent area, you know, and right now my plan for the halving price-wise is that we probably go higher and come back to this price range by the halving. Now, if something crazy happens and this cycle is a little different, which I don't think it will be necessarily, but let's say this cycle is a little different, and we go nuts by the halving, then maybe I'll do some party and fly somewhere and fucking set up a party and see how many people want to fly there with me, and fucking I'll go to I don't know, maybe do some club shit, you know, buy a table, invite a few people. Nice. You gonna take some profit, re-enter lower? I'm thinking about it, Hurley, on this trade right now. If I'm thinking that the re-entry would be down here, so I'm not 100% sold on this idea yet. Where the RSI is cooked, I'm curious what neutral will bring, so I want to see what that means for us first. It looks like we're trying to buy our way out pretty quick here, so we do have a weekly close candle later on this evening, which will give us some CME data info, and our CME gap is probably going to be up here. CME open might be down here, you know, so we'll have a gap to fill, and I'll be very curious to see how that fills. Right now, I would say right now my first priority is add to position, because I think we continue going up. I think we keep going up. So right now my first instinct is add to position. Yo, that's funny. Cost Ape, has anyone seen the recent Bitboy Ben Armstrong video of him doing karate? You know, I'm all for someone taking life seriously and trying to become a better fighter and a better man. But Bitboy is, he's kind of a shithead, man. I don't think anything he's going to be doing is for himself as much as it is for him to appear to be doing something for others. I think he's pretty selfish, and I think he's pretty business oriented. He has a brand to recover. You know, he kind of burned himself out looking like a weirdo over some Lambo shit and cheating on his wife and stuff. So I think he's looking like shit right now. So whatever he's got going on, I mean, I just want to wait and see how it all pans out. I'm not too bullish on Bitboy. Obviously, he'll get his shitcoin followers and scammers endorsing him. So, you know, he probably has another future in this bull market. But yeah, we'll see, man. We'll see. Yeah, he's on drugs for sure. Yeah, I think Bitboy's fucked, man. I think he's kind of gone across that line, you know, the pride cometh before the fall situation. So I think I don't wish that on anyone, shitcoiner or not. Some people just fuck up, and that's life, you know. So yeah, I don't know what to say about that, you know, it just sucks. Yep. Bitboy, man. Fucking scammer. A lot of scammers in this space, man. Yeah, it does have a lot of followers. Yeah, you know, this is the thing, man. Kids are strong, you know. I came from some fucked ass fucking life. And I came out tougher, stronger mentally. I always push myself. I don't let things kind of break me. I feel like a lot of people get broken easily these days. So, I have to say, it's okay, you know, it's okay. It's unfortunate. I prefer seeing kids in stable households with good men as leading the family. But there aren't good men these days. We've all been brainwashed to be fucking beta pieces of shit. You know, to let women fucking believe that they're the alpha, you know? And look, that's created a big group of weak men. You know, I saw this video the other day. Who wears the pants in the relationship? And the guy puts his hand up, the girl puts her hand up, and then the guy looks back and sees the girl has her hand up, and then he flips his hand to the girl, you know, that she's the boss. That should never be allowed, man. You know, maybe as a light joke if you fucking earn it, but nah. So we have a lot of betas now, you know, and I think kids are gonna have to be strong and learn a lot on their own. Unfortunately, there's also a lot of predators out there that are gonna take them under their wing and transgender them and fucking tell them they're homos and fucking this and that. So I do, for the sake of knowing that you are the fucking loudest voice in their mind, I do believe that you need to be as strong a man as possible to raise your kids right. But kids also are very resilient, man. They're very resilient. Just let this thing get back. If I can get back up to that 37.8 range, I'm probably pulling some 50%, maybe even 100% off the table on that one. Ian Gary, man. That situation's gotta be one of the funniest things going on right now. Ian Gary is such a fucking idiot. He's actually not really an idiot. He's been purely manipulated into fucking some crazy weird shit. Let's see here. RE, catching up in 2x. Okay, anyone planning a trip down to Argentina to escape the winter? No, I wasn't. It's winter right here. I'm talking, it's white right now. Snow everywhere. It's not snowing actively, but it's nice out. It would be fun to think about a big trip though. Definitely interested in something like that. Bull market, gonna be doing a lot of traveling. But the Ian Gary situation, 26-year-old athlete, wealthy athlete, successful athlete, got a woman who's 40 years old who mastered the art of manipulating men, wrote a book about it, and has her frickin' little boy, she has Ian Gary whipped. He's living in a household. He took her last name. He's living in a household with her ex-husband. So he's just totally been fucking owned. He's been owned. Yeah, it's sad, man. Honestly, I think it's more sad than anything else. Alright, let's do this. Take these things off. Gonna put my tallow in this bowl here because I have a little process to help get rid of some of that smell. You don't want to smell like beef, you know, if you put lotion on. I think you don't want to. That's the ideal scenario, is to smell good. So I'm trying to make some better tallow lotion recipes here. And you guys, this is the best lotion. Honestly, I might end up selling it. A lot of people have been telling me that it's the best lotion they've ever used, and they want me to make a bunch more. So if I end up selling it, maybe we'll do some giveaways that include some free tallow lotion. This stuff is mad legit. Mad legit, man. Tallow lotion, best I've ever fucking used. Literally the fucking best lotion I've ever used in my life. No fibbing. Check this. Yeah, that should work. Alright, getting the tools ready. Gonna be a tallow lotion day. Alright, let me start another batch here, guys, then I'm coming back. Some nice, pure, grass-fed, grass-finished beef tallow. Refined 4 times. All done myself, all done by hand. Best tallow lotion ever. Alright, that should be good for now. Alright. Gotta go grocery shopping. We'll watch the rest of the stream later. Hopefully I'm still around. How to be a wag. Yeah, dude. Fucking cost save. Exactly. Oh, wait. We pumped. Fuck yeah. Fuck yes. Nice. Hurley. Didn't even see the chart. I saw you first. And there she is, Leon. Yep. And look, we still got steam on this. Looking at a perps order book, you guys, it's the top 2 on a $10 aggregation. I'm looking at the top 2 stacks. Right now it's fair, bullish, even, bearish, even. Yeah, dude, how much higher does this thing go? Wow. See, this is what I'm talking about, you guys. This is why you hold on for the CME gap. The gap fill. Look at that, triple stacked. Yeah, there's definitely some action going here. Buyers chase this. $10 aggregations looking decent. 299, 36.7, 37.6. I mean 10 controlled. 30, 40 pretty empty. Very dynamic aggregations right now. Heavy bullishness still. Filling the wick space. I want to get a little bit above that if possible. Didn't break the wick high. Spinning top. Alright. And we've moved into a steeper ass dominant space. You know what? What do I do here? Looks like bears want to control this area. 37.8 is where our CME gap is. Very dynamic action in the order book. There we go, nice little move. 5 pack, let's break that wick. 5-5. 5 again. Someone's buying the high. Phil, glad you got in before all this took off. Another 5er. Similar buy behaviors, probably same individual. 5-5-5s, man, 5s. High, wick high broken. Very weak though. Seaside Thug, #1 whale comes on stream and we pump. Coincidence? No. Seaside Thug, just let us know beforehand. Some water. Good to use copper. Copper's fucking good to hold your shit. Water. Someone, I think that 5er was burning the top. I'm gonna exit 50%, I think, on this. Even though I still think we're going higher, I'm gonna bail 50% up here. See if we can get a small move back up to the. It's only tens of dollars. Profit is profit. I want to see some of this come back though. I don't want to bail at the bottom of a red candle. I'm curious though, man. Momentum does seem to be a little messy. There we go. No signals on trader, no. Yeah, it's gaining momentum. Broke that low of that last candle. Yeah, come back up here. What's up, MJ Moonbow? Fucking A. Great to see you here, brother. Been a long time. Didn't dip enough for my orders to get filled. Yeah, yeah, and didn't pump enough for me to really want to bail. I'm long from 36.3. So I still got a ways to watch. Still, if this comes back up here, I'll bail out on a good bit because $200 isn't the biggest difference. Is this a green candle song? Yo, it used to have these broken up into individual little songs, so I could know like when it started and finished. I'm just gonna have to let this ride now. Nice reversal candle here. That was a nice reversal candle. RSI staying pretty cooked up here. 5 minute. Let's see if this thing can break this high. If it just channels at that high, I'll probably bail 50% of my position. Not enough. Not enough on top of that. Definitely looking good here. Fuck. Ugly. Alright, nice pump. I mean, we haven't done a full retrace. Doesn't look like we're I mean, there's definitely some momentum. This is a strong reversal, but this is a strong reversal to answer that. I don't like it. I like the pump. I like the pump. I really hope that this is our consolidation post pump for another move to this 37.8 CME gap close. I'm thinking there should be more of a fight up here. It's bad. Looking bad. Looking like the full retrace is coming. Damn, there it goes. MJ Moonbow, the weekly looks great. Getting resistance at the median, upper end of the channel half. Let's see how this week closes. Yeah, I agree. I think we're I hope we close somewhere around here. I mean, this is already looking pretty ugly, but looks like bulls want to step in and try to clean house on this one. At least keep things status quo. Yeah, stacks, $10 aggregations. Sell side's a bit more dynamic, it looks like now. So I think we have a little bit of recovery opportunity here. Back to the top end of that wick space, top end of that candle, green candle. I want more fucking drama on Ian Gary. What's going on? Yeah, cost ape. I'm still in my position. I might exit 50% if we get back around here. But I also think we're gonna fill that CME gap, so I'm not opposed to holding on to it. That was a bit of pain. 35 pack dropped. I posted some funny tweets in the Discord channel for the Ian Gary situation on the sports. All right, let's see if we can recover some of this. Wow, just a lot of red candles, man. Fuck. RSI back in range. See how this plays out. That 35 pack dropped a lot of heat. 13 pack behind it. Hopefully that's a sign that someone sold the bottom. Put them in some hot water, bring it back up to 37.6 plus. Yeah, it doesn't look like bulls just want to roll over and eat, you know, dirt right now, so that's a good sign. Weekly candle closes in about 3 hours. Oh yeah, Cost Ape. I hope Gary loses at UFC 296. Yeah, I agree, man. I agree. Pride cometh before the fall, man. Damn. Another hammer. Yeah, the press conference. Oh, what's up, full fuckers? Morning. Can't get my trader alerts to work. You know what? My tip would be go to the trader community on Telegram and talk to them. Maybe there's an issue going on, but Trader TRDR has a community with a pretty decent stack of members. So yeah, you can check it out, Trader official community. and maybe you can bring it up in there. I don't really use the alerts, and I haven't used them for a long time. Let me go work on my tallow that I'm making over here. Alright, our first green candle in a while. Yeah, the UFC 296 press conference is probably going to be an absolute shit show, man. Everyone's going to be ripping Ian Gary. That piece of shit. You know his wife was like, before they got married and stuff, dude, she has pictures with every UFC fighter, man. She was a straight up hoe. Funny, Sean O'Malley let his girl fuck other men, so Sean O'Malley's kind of a bitch too on that front, but